Hey everyone, I'm Mitch with Hiro Paper. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use our Toner Reactive Foil on Feels Like Magic sheets that have been printed on using a laser printer. Here's what you'll need. A sheet of our Toner Reactive Foil, some parchment paper which is included with our foil, a laminating machine or a heat press, and a sheet of paper that has been printed on with toner from a laser printer. We do suggest you find a laminating machine that has a 10mm setting to guarantee it gets hot enough for such thick paper. The quick rundown of how this works is you place the Toner Reactive Foil on top of the printed sheet of paper, cover both of those with the parchment paper, and run it through the laminating machine. The heat from the laminating machine will activate the foil, which then reacts with the parts of the paper that have toner on it, making them stick together. As mentioned, the foil will only stick where there is toner, so if there are parts of the sheet that are still blank, the foil will not be left behind on those parts. Now that we've gotten the explanation out of the way, let's go ahead and show you how it's done. When you receive an order that includes our Toner Reactive Foil, the foil will be next to a sheet of parchment paper. The parchment will have a small fold over one edge of the foil. The reactive side of the foil sheet is the side that is touching the parchment paper. If you are planning on making a whole printed sheet be covered in foil, then you can just place the whole foil sheet on top of the printed sheet, then place some parchment paper on both sides and then run it through the laminating machine. Once it comes out the other side, flip the whole thing over and run it through once more. This ensures that the foil became hot enough and is going to properly react with the toner. We do not suggest running it through too many times as it can have a negative effect. When that is done, take everything out of the parchment paper, peel off the plastic sheet, and if done successfully, the foil will have stuck to the paper. And that's it. You now have a shiny sheet of paper. You can also cut the foil to size and just foil one playing card at a time. This will be best if you ordered our sample pack, which only includes a couple of sheets of paper and one sheet of parchment. Hope this video was helpful. Again, I'm Mitch with Hiro Paper, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.